everyone. So today we're gonna make pancake, Mawa style pancake. Okay, so we have our flour, baking powder, baking soda, butter, buttermilk, and egg. It's very easy. You can do that in 5 minutes. Actually, your children should do that for you every Sunday. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my wet ingredient. So 2 eggs. Okay, I'm gonna add to my egg 2.5 cups of buttermilk. Two and a half. Okay. There we go. This is my wet ingredient. You set aside. Now I'm gonna do my dry ingredient. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 cups of flour. Get a good flour for your pancake. You know, I usually get Bub Red Meal. They're very good quality flour. And then I'm gonna put 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder. Okay, 1.5. It's gonna be challenging. There we go, no more challenge. 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I mix all the ingredients together. I know. And what I usually use also is arrowhead flour. I put a little bit so it's even more fluffier. Okay, here we go. We have a delicious pancake mix here, buttermilk pancake mix.